So, the other day I ordered a solar watch because I needed it to test this product right here. Yep, this is the Eco Watch Charger. And basically what it is, as far as I can tell, is for those of us that have a solar watch that needs solar to charge, we'll give it solar light. Yes, solar light, so that you can actually charge this during the day or the night or whatever if you're in a scenario where you're not getting a lot of sunlight. And for us here in, especially here in Canada in the winter time, there can be days that there's just not a lot of sunlight because, we only get the sun kind of comes up around 7, 8 in the morning. And by like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, it's gone. So if you're someone that's working inside and it's not a bright area or whatever, you could literally just have hours and hours and hours and hours with no sunlight. So we're gonna take a look at it. This is my solar watch that I got. Right now, it does say that it is in mid power for battery. You guys may not even be able to see that, but I also it says MD at the bottom. I'm guessing that's middle. It's supposed to go up to high. I'm thinking when you actually can tell what your watch is at. I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna take a look at this. We're gonna take a look at that there, and we'll see if it works. So you can get this again. I'm guessing it's just color: silver, black, white. I think I got the white one. I don't even know. Honestly, I have no idea what color I got. I think it's white. And $25 coupon right now. Normally it was $30. I think it's pretty simple. You put on this would be my guess, so that it knows kind of what shape it is, maybe, right? I'm guessing portable solar watch charger. Yep, right, there's your millimeters, so you can kind of maybe just kind of get it focused, because you don't want the light just coming everywhere, right? Compatible with most brands of solar watches on the market. And I really like, if you look at some of these watches, I'll give you, for instance, like that one right there in the middle, it says solar. It looks like it's got a big solar panel on it, which is kind of what I was expecting on the watch that I got. And then you realize, hey, like this one there, that black one right there, Tough Solar, is exactly the watch that I have. So I'm guessing it should work because I just have the white version. So that's good. I'm pleased with that. I got the right watch. So basically powered by USB or your computer, charge in the car, I guess, if you have USB there, and charge at night. My hope is, and the reason that I bought this watch, for those of you that will probably watch that video at some point, is that this will be used for at home. But when you're on holidays and all that, you should have enough daylight, I would think, for it to last for a long time. And what I learned is I probably should have solar for up here, down here, because the battery died. Yeah. Anyways, I forgot what I was saying. Traveling, should have lots of daylight. So really this is for home, for me, especially during the winter months, or when I see that battery just not getting its full charge. So long cable, fantastic, way to go. You don't see that all the time nowadays. So I am very pleased with the fact that they gave, look at that. That's nice. Hey, USB-A, USB-C. Where are we? Right here. Very good. That's nice and long. And then these are your little adapter things. So I'm guessing this is all dependent on, the, is there a sticker on here? Really does seem like one. Oh, I take that off. Yeah. So make sure you see it right there. There's a little words. What does the word say? Probably take this off. Probably. Okay. So that's your light. There's a little button there. Yes. Little button there. That's your light. It looks good. Okay. And I'm guessing this is kind of like the solary stuff. And then what you do is you find the top that is best suited for your watch. So I'm guessing for me, this the bigger one, I guess. I'm guessing you just kind of lay your watch on it like so is what you would do. Just right. You guys see? You just lay it on there. Lay it on there, folks. It's trying to track Summer. I'm just keep coming back. All right. No, you just want to focus on my eye. I'm not going to. Hey, took me forever to get you to do that. So anyways, again, depending on the watch, so if you look up here, there are watches that have like square watch faces. So you use the square one or smaller watch faces. You got options. Okay. All right. And then we're going to plug this in. It's funny, you get a solar watch and you have to charge it. That to me, that seems funny. But I get it, because there are times when you just, like me, could be months without actually seeing light. Well, you do see light, but like I'm working down here, could be most of the day. So it's not bright by any means, right? Ready? Ready? Here we go. I'm going to tilt it at myself. Ho, ho, ho! Sweet Nelly. Now you could use this just as a flashlight. Wow, that has got some kick to it. I can see why that would be able to charge it. Now you do have, looks like multiple like brightness modes. 1, 2, off. So you get 2 brightness modes, high. So the first one is blind yourself completely. Second one is not as bad. So what I'm going to do, because again, it says mid, yeah? Mid. I'm going to lay that on there. And it's nice too, because it is silicone. It's soft, right? So it's not going to like scratch or anything like that. I'm going to put that right there. And yes, ready? And that's kind of nice too. You guys can see it. Like, it's probably good when you realize that you're not getting a lot of like light leak coming out of the sides. So I would say that's on there really good. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave that for the next, I don't know how long it takes to charge. I have no idea. And I guess it depends on your watch. They have no idea how long it's going to take to charge, Anyways, we're going to see if it charges. I'm going to go upstairs. What time is it now? It is 9:30. I'll let it go for like, let's say till lunchtime. I'll let it go till lunchtime. That's like 2.5 hours, That would be plenty of time to charge a traditional like smartwatch. So let's see if I can get that up to full. At least it says high, because right now it said mid. So we'll see. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been an hour and a half-ish in that range, about an hour and a half. It is currently 11:15, so a little more, hour and 45, I guess. And this is still here doing its thing, right? So let's turn this off. Boop. Nope, off. Oh, I didn't even realize it's never had that. Do you guys see that? Maybe. It definitely, check that out, that watch. It definitely has a glow to it, which I've never ever had before. No, never had it glow. So the lights are definitely doing that. Oh, look. You guys see it? High. It says high now. Battery, I would say, is fully charged. It works. That's really cool. Now, the watch is a bit warm, but I don't know if that's the light. Yeah, it's probably just the light heating up. All right, that's a win. That's a total win. So now, during the winter, I can still use this to charge this. So these two together work like a charm. Very nice. Let's go on back on. And I'm pleased. All right, guys. This is the solar watch charger, which, again, I never really thought that was a thing, but I get it. And by Escene. And very cool. Very cool. All right, my friends. Links to where you can pick it up on the Amazon if you're interested and you have a solar watch. And the full review for this watch will be coming out probably in a day or two. I thought it was going to come out before this, but no. All right, my friends. That's it. That's all. Off you go.